Meditation can make you healthier, happier, and more productive. It can even help you live longer. But mastering your thoughts isn't so easy, as too often we fumble through our days at the mercy of demands our bosses, our clients or schedules, or our chaotic thought-filled minds place on us, making it so easy to get sucked into the fast pace of daily life that most people forget what it's like to notice their breath and be aware of their bodies. And then it feels like the more you try to clear your mind, the more those pesky thoughts come wafting back just to spite you. And you give up because what should be the world's easiest thing suddenly seems all too hard. But it doesn't have to be. Just like when you exercise your body in establishing a regular meditation practice, it's best to start slowly and get some help to figure out what you should be doing. Most importantly, you need to keep at it to get results. There's a reason it's called meditation practice, because the more you practice it, the better you get at it, and the easier it becomes. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because that's exactly what I'm going to show you a few minutes from now. But just before we begin, hit the red button below this video to subscribe and the bell button to get notified of our new videos. Ready to get into it? Let's do it, guys! Number 5. Breathing meditation. Breathing meditation is the most simple, basic form of meditation. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and breathe naturally, preferably through your nose. Focus your attention on your breath, but do not try to change or control it. When a random thought barges into your head, simply label it as a thought and bring your attention back to your breath. Number 4. Visual imagery. Perfect it. You have constant racing thoughts and a fast-paced mind and want to calm it down. The aim is to focus your attention on images known to be calming to the mind, with a corresponding response in the body. A typical example is images of nature. Being in nature can help both our emotional and physical well-being, helping the mind focus on a real image. Another variation of this is a candle meditation, which involves placing a lit candle at eye level, an arm's width away, and gently focusing on the flame. Number 3. Walking meditation. Walking meditation is more of an open eyes mindfulness technique that you can use on the go. It involves bringing your attention to the pressure and sensations in the feet as they make contact with the ground and your weight shifts from one foot to another. So next time you take a walk, rather than blasting music in your ears and going over your to-do list or ruminating over something that's bothering you, try to stay totally in the present, aware of yourself and your surroundings. Number 2. Guided meditation. This type of meditation is perfect if you have a high-pressure job or lead a fast-paced life and struggle to find time to meditate. So if you enjoy meditation or the thought of it, but can't ever seem to be able to fit it in, a group guided meditation could be for you. A lot of people struggle to make meditation a priority when left to their own devices, but do well when guided in a group meditation. Number 1. Mantra meditation. Mantra meditation involves sitting quietly while silently repeating a word or phrase called a mantra to yourself. A traditional mantra is so hum. Think to yourself so as you inhale and hum as you exhale. Or you can simply say in, out to yourself if you'd prefer. At first, thoughts will pop into your head constantly. That's expected and normal. The important thing is not to get discouraged and to gently bring your mind back to the present when you notice it has drifted. And that's it on the list. Ready to learn more about how to unlock your brain power with inspirational and educational videos? Hit the red button below to subscribe to free, interesting videos from Brilliance. And if you enjoy this video, give it a like and share it with your friends and on social media.